There's like a crazy rainbow behind me right here. I figured this is a great time to come out here and film a little bit of an intro to a video. The other weekend, my girlfriend Vanessa and I went on an adventure to explore Canada's Badlands by visiting and camping in Drumheller for the weekend. We spent the weekend exploring and shooting photos. I brought along just my Canon M50 that I use to shoot videos, as well as my Konica Big Mini. And Vanessa brought out her Polaroid and shot a pack of really cool Keith Haring Polaroids. Here's how that adventure played out.
And it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. It functions.
2 days ago, Tina didn't have shocks. So we took them off because one was seized down and the other one was squeaking a lot. And I thought I bought good ones to put in, but I bought the wrong ones. I bought the ones for the back without knowing, by accident, because I'm an idiot. But anyway, I had to go on a wild goose chase to like 5 different stores to find shocks in time to go here. This morning we stopped at Ken's garage and he helped me weld the bull bar on. So now we can hit some trees and run over some... What do you run over on the road? Cows? Alright. So we kitted Tina up with a bed frame, which is actually sick. It pulls out and folds up so that it can sit in the trunk and you can just keep it there all the time. It's completely hollow all the way through, so you can tuck whatever you want under there. You know, I got shoes, some fishing poles and some stuff, but I want to get boxes to store like cooking stuff under there. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. We got the air mattress on top and then a sleeping bag. We're in just like a giant canyon basically. You can't really see too well from our campsite right now, but tomorrow when we go exploring, I'll show you what's up. The best part about the second gen 4Runner is it's got a tailgate. It's not hatchback, so you can actually cook on the tailgate when you're camping. For dinner we're gonna make turkey tacos, which I'm pretty excited about. And we're gonna roast some poblano peppers and a red pepper on the fire. I think it'll be yummy. When you're roasting peppers, don't be afraid to burn the crap out of the skin. See how that just looks like almost unedible? Basically that whole outer skin just peels right off. And then it's like perfect roasted pepper consistency underneath. Done. Perfectly burnt to shit, but perfect. So we got the poblanos and the red pepper. I'm gonna take them over to the cutting board. Maybe wrap them in foil and let them steam a little bit so that the skin comes off even easier.
Old El Paso, mucho family fun.
I can't fucking open it for the life of me. Nope. I'm a strong, independent person. That might need scissors.
Look at that. That actually looks mint. Should I try a piece? Tastes like ground beef taco, but it's turkey, so it's better for us. My nose is running. I was looking at you. Should I look at them?
No, it's either way. I thought you were looking over my shoulder.
Hi, YouTube. This is the end result of the roasted pepper. As you can see, it's beautifully roasted. We peeled the skin off. Here's the poblanos. They're also beautiful. They're green, so they take a little bit more of a darker color, but just insane. They taste so good. Pretty hyped to eat them. Alright, so we got tomato, roasted poblano, roasted red pepper. Just gonna toss it right in our turkey. And then scoop it out and eat it with tortillas. It's gonna be fire.
After we ate our late night tacos, I decided I wanted to try my hand and shoot some star photography. I rarely do this. I've shot a couple pictures of the moon before, but I figured since we're in such a lightless area that this would be a good opportunity to try and shoot some stars. They're all not that great. The one of the Big Dipper, this one here, is my favorite. It was definitely a good learning experience, and I definitely want to shoot more. What do you call it? Just star photography, I guess. There's definitely a different name for it. I'll put it on screen right now. But it's definitely a skill that requires some work, for sure. Something that I'm willing to put the work into in the future. I think I have a curse. Every time that I try to get some golden hour, like early morning golden hour, anytime I go out to get early morning golden hour, or I'm awake for some unknown reason to get early morning golden hour, it's like cloudy and there's never like actual nice golden light, which is unfortunate, but c'est la vie. One day the curse will break. It wasn't this day though. Good morning. It's our second day in Drumheller. It's currently 6:46 in the morning. I've been up since 5:15. I'm the first person in the campsite, the campground, to have a fire going. I've also taken those time lapses that you just saw. So, unknown to me when booking the campsite, I believe that I've actually stayed at this campsite many, many moons ago when I was just knee-high to a grasshopper with my grandparents. The trees in this grove are over 200 years old. Please do not sit or climb on them. I have that sign burnt into my brain for some reason. So, clearly I've been here before. I'm pretty sure if I look in the archive, there's a photo of it. If I see that, I'll put it here. Anyway, these trees are super cool and they wrap around each other. So I decided to shoot some photos of them just because they're very unique. And it's not every day that you get to see really cool, overgrown, super old trees like this. These trees have lived 3 or 4 human generations, which is insane to think about. We decided to head into town after we had some delicious breakfast.
This one's fully good.
He's scavenging.
Every last drop. Gotta get it all. Not a damn chance.
You know, explore the town. Drumheller is a little bit of a tourist town, but there's a lot of cool stuff around Drumheller that's a little less touristy, that's kind of more fun.
Apparently Drumheller's home to the world's biggest dinosaur. And we found it right at this splash park. And I honestly thought it could be bigger. I don't know. Maybe we're missing it. Wow. Dinosaur.
That's a big boy.
Huge.
You know, after we visited the giant dinosaur, we kind of just meandered around town. Polaroid. Oh. Because this area is such a rich deposit of dinosaur fossils, and all kinds of fossils, not just dinosaurs, I guess, like plants and everything. There's a giant museum, and the entire town of Drumheller is littered with little dinosaurs. On every street corner, it seems like there's a statue of a different dinosaur. It's pretty fun, and it makes for some unique photograph opportunities. We saw a sign for like an antiques up the road or something, antiques 11 kilometers this way. So we decided to hightail it to the antiques one day right before dinner. And then we realized why the campground is called 11 Bridges Campground. You have to go over 11 bridges. The road crisscrosses over a creek 11 times, I guess. And at the very top, there's this really super duper creepy antique shed. Like, so creepy. I don't know what about it. It just made me incredibly uncomfortable. Where are we?
I don't know.
Me neither. Rustic antiques, supposedly. I took one photo there. This was it. You can tell how uncomfortable I am. Yeah. Maybe don't stop at the antique store. I'm sure maybe it was just me. I don't know. I opened like 2 posters and they were both super satanic. So it gave me the heebie-jeebies. That's all. I'm sure the people that worked there are really nice. They were really nice. It was just creepy, and they were playing weird, old, creepy music from like old musicals. Microsoft Office, except it's yellow. Crazy.
The hills are crazy. Underrated place in Alberta, for sure, 100%. Whoa, we're kind of on a hill here.
After our trip to the creepy antique farmhouse, we decided to go visit the hoodoos. Hoodoos are pretty cool.
I don't know what a hoodoo is.
You know, they're like a rock deposit.
Rock deposit?
Yeah, they're
Oh, yeah, like out in Drumheller, a hoodoo.
a hoodoo.
A hoodoo.
This is the hoodoo segment.
It's a hoodoo.
What is a hoodoo?
It's the weird rock formations that come up and look like a mushroom.
Yeah, and we saw them.
Mushroom hoodoo rocks.
Matt said bye.
Bye.
Mushroom hoodoo rocks. What else do you have to say about hoodoos?
They're fun to climb, even though you're not allowed to climb them.
Yeah, there's like certain ones you're not allowed to climb, but you can climb like up around. It's just like the main ones they don't want you to climb.
Yeah, it's still fun.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Thanks for joining me for the hoodoo segment.
You're welcome. I'm glad to be here.
That's really so random and hilarious.
Cannot see me.
I cannot see me either. We're at the hoodoos. Sunset hoodoo vibes.
hoodoos. Why are they called hoodoos?
I don't know. Maybe we'll find out on a sign.
Yeah.
Probably.
Here's what they look like.
Wave again?
Can't tell.
Maybe not. Kind of a hard eye. Always flash. I don't know when I can turn it off, but it's another button to press. It's a whole deal.
This is why you come to Drumheller, the Badlands, baby.
Monday was our last day of the trip. We packed up our campsite and then we decided to hit the Royal Tyrell Museum, which is a giant dinosaur museum, which is pretty cool. Except it's so busy in the summer. Here's some cool shots of some of the cool dinosaurs. It's definitely a cool spot. The museum was cool. It had dinosaurs. We saw dinosaurs. It was so busy though.
So busy.
There's way too many people there.
So busy. I've never seen
And it's a Monday, bro. Oh my! Imagine like a Saturday or a Sunday. It would be a fucking shit show.
Also, working there on a Saturday or Sunday would be awful.
Working there today would be awful.
Yeah.
It's way too busy. I don't know when is a good time to go. In the fall,
In the fall.
early spring, late fall,
Or just dead of winter.
or in the middle of winter.
But you also have to consider school field trips.
Yeah, but school field trips is substantially less people than this.
It's true. Good luck to you.
Yeah, enjoy.
Hey buddy, how you doing tonight? Good? You wanna fry? Yeah? Should I just throw it at him?
Throw it at him.
I'm getting
Look, you made his day.
Oh my god! You full?
Give him the rest of your fry. I'm just kidding.
Just one more.
No, don't give him one more. That's enough. You're gonna give him fat.
I'm not gonna get
Don't feed the wildlife in Drumheller. Anyway, that's a wrap for this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to leave a like on this video. More life and blessings, my friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye. What we got here, Ness?
They're young, fresh coconuts with little baby biodegradable straws.
Wrapped in cellophane plastic.
Perfect.
I saw these at the grocery store and I decided that I wanted one. And Vanessa was like kind of against it at first
No,
because she
it
thought it
just-
was too bougie. Oh my gosh, look at this straw. It's like bamboo.
Yeah.
Bro, you cannot even... It's not even hollow.
Is it really not?
Look. Is yours hollow?
I don't know. I'll open the top of mine first.
Oh, I cleared mine out.
Did you really?
Yeah. Is yours hollow?
Yeah. She's fine. She's It's got a soft spot. Little baby's head. Yep.
It's got a soft spot? Wait, I'm not ready yet.
Well, it says like insert here, and the it got a
Little softy spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a boba tea.
It's like a boba tea.
Except for hopefully there's no bubbles there.
Got our coconut, got our straw. I'm through. Oh, she's busting.
Look at you.
Like that. I usually don't really like coconut water.
Why did we get these?
This one's like kind of fire.
Oh, it does nothing.
Mm.
Did yours work?
Yeah, it's good. Tastes really good,
Oh,
actually.
there's probably some pulp in it like that. Mm. Yeah, no, that's delectable.
It's actually really delicious.
That's great, yeah.
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I would buy another one of these for sure on like a hot summer day.
Yeah.
Toss it in the fridge, it'd be even better.
Yeah. Do you think you can, like, cut open?
I think you can bust it open and maybe eat the... We'll try.
Yeah.
We'll cut it open after we finish drinking them. Cheers, that's good.
Good work.
That's kind of funny.
It's much easier than just buying coconut.
And the coconut water that we got from the...
Other coconut?
was gross.
Mm-hmm.
Last summer I bought a coconut. It took me like an hour to open it and the water was nasty. This is delicious. Alright, thanks for coming to our coconut review. Young Fresh Coconut, buy one. Use the affiliate link.
It's biodegradable plastic. There you go.
Just kidding.
What's the picnic table do to you? It's been nothing but nice. Oh my god.
This picnic table is actually fucked.
It's because it's missing the brakes.
Should we fix it?
With what? You got nails?
No.
Screws?
Okay, so Beth finished her coconut so fast. Did you stick your stick in it? Oh no, never mind.
Look at there.
So we're gonna cut it open and see what it has to offer us. I feel like this is not gonna go well.
No, I don't think so. Oh no, that's fine. Well. It's so squeaky. Should I be scared?
Of what?
I don't know.
like we should put it on this side because it's more stable. Should I be scared? I don't know if it's gonna...
The shoe's gonna go.
I don't know. I feel like you need to just go whap it on the ground.
No, on the picnic table, I can do that.
Ooh, give me like a
Oh, what?
piece of wood. I'll get it.
You're much closer than
Okay, on today's episode of What's Inside, there's meat.
Really?
Yeah.
Is your knife okay?
Yeah, it's German, dude.
Right.
Wow.
Eating. Weird.
There's meat inside.
Ta-da!
Good luck eating that, though.
Mm-mm.
It'll be really hard to eat, probably.
Maybe, probably. Definitely. It's like soft. It's like squishy.
Try some.
Why is it squishy?
Poke it out with
Look
your.
at it.
Poke it out with your.
Oh, weird. It's not. It's like,
It's probably not what you want.
no. It's slimy.
Hey, is it a coconut? Is it a coconut?
Oh, it doesn't.
I might get my own piece. In mouth.
And they're red. No, it's weird. It doesn't really taste like anything. It's just like slimy, kind of. A little flaily.
Coconut, like fresh coconut, is so much work for what you get out of it.
Yeah.
Like you put
Never go on Survivor then. It's just like it like oh, that was such a cute bird noise. It's like it feels like it's coagulated, but it's just coconut. But it doesn't taste like anything really.
It tastes like coconut. Like coconut you get at the bottom of a bubble tea.
Yeah.
It's kind of like lychee jellies.
Yeah. Like
Except those like squish and stay squish. This like squishes and
just kind of moves.
it's not bad.
No.
I wouldn't like attempt to get all of it out. Except I am. Check that out. Mmm.
Stop making those noises.
Mmm. No. Want some coconut bird?
Cute. I don't really think I want to eat this. It's kind of like a weird cheese looking thing too. Like a sea creature.
Coconut is kind of like of the sea.
Kind of.
Ah, tastes like coconut. Slimier coconut
Uh-huh.
than the dried coconut. Probably because it's young.
And fresh.
Anyway, that's our coconut review.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Ow. Let's go to the hospital.